Alright, quick look at the progress. Painted. The paint covered up some of the dodgy fiberglassing, but didn't cover it all. All in all, it's a bit rough, but I learnt a lot, and it is completely and utterly waterproof, so that's good. So, the little cabin thing is on, and that all works. That's the voltmeter, 12-volt charger, and switch for the little navigation light. I've just put the steering in. Now what I'm doing for the throttle, I've side mounted it instead of the normal switch. I was going to do a switch on there, a round switch. Usually people just do a round sort of rotary switch. This, I'm actually doing a little, I'm going to use this thing. That's just a temporary sort of handle thing on the moment, but it'll mount on the side and be like a sort of a speedboat throttle, 5 forward, 3 reverse. I think that'll be kind of cool, easy to use. So all the wiring's in, motor's modified, wired up, fast. The fast plugs are connected, so we just transport it like this. Then I can pop the battery in and connect up the motor. And here's my little battery cover hatch, which is all fitted and works. And that's my little, sorry about the camera, that's my little cooler battery hatch. I've still got to work out the steering. That's a big thing to do. I've got the steering in using an old hubcap off a kid's car. I've got 2 rollers. Whoa, sorry. It's very hard to see in there. I'll have to get a better camera to have a look. But there's little pulley rollers in there, but I've got to work out how I bring them out and up to the motor at the back. So that's the next thinking challenge.